All right, it's that time of year again, hunting king snakes with Chuck. We're gonna get at it really hard right now. Where something used to lay. There he is. Just like last time.
Is that the same snake?
I bet you it is.
Look at that son of a gun.
I'll have to
right off the bat.
I'll have to
Woo!
look at some of the pattern and see if it's the same one. Yeah, I'm filming. Jeez. I mean, that's the first piece of tin we look under.
That's a sweet looking snake, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hope that the tractors don't run him over. You know what I'm saying?
That snake is 53 degrees. Wow.
I don't think there's a chance of him moving anytime soon.
59 on the tin. So, all right.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Look at it. Right when I walk up. It's so cold he ain't moving.
Well, that was quick. That's well, watch it. Yeah. Eastern diamondback. Yeah, he's cold. It's probably about 45, 40. There's a lot of ants here, though. Ugh, gotta use that shed. Whew. Yeah, there's your Georgia king. This one's in shed.
Fire ants all over him.
Really? You want me to hold him? He's a cold snake. I'm gonna take a temp on this one.
The ants are biting the snake.
72. Hold on. 68. 66. It's a cold one. Let me get a picture of it. Nothing. Nothing.
Pretty ugly looking gray rat.
Gray rat.
Is it shedded?
I
Yeah.
can't tell.
See how brown they are up here?
Yeah, no, I know. In Florida, they're gray. Golf hammocks sometimes are kind of brownish, but they're gray too. But they're
Yeah, these
brownish.
Georgia,
Some of the golf hammocks look like purplish to me.
these Georgia ones aren't the best looking. But he's king?
Yeah, it's a king shed.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice one. I don't think we've gotten this one.
It's a young one.
Yeah.
It's a younger snake.
Yeah. Not in shed. Wow, nice. Hey, leave my iPad alone. Hey, no. Yeah. I'll tell you what it is. You see the tail? You see the tail? That's a female. That's definitely a female.
Think so?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a temp on her. Can you hold it? You got her? That's a female.
Dude.
It's
Sorry.
not? Really?
It's going in that far.
It's 78 degrees.
It's my phone.
That's a female.
The female won't go in very far. The male goes in far because the hemipenes are in there. Oh, that's right. I went the wrong way.
Yeah, that's a female. I'm positive that's a female. That's a female. Look at how short this tail is, dude.
Okay.
And it tapers. Big ass racer.
The big racer?
Yeah, like we always get here.
Stub tail.
Yep. Monster racer. Whew. You're gonna go a ways.
Okay, is that racer eating king snakes?
He's eating rats. Release it. You take off in there, stay out of our way. You mean little racer. Another king snake under here.
Where's that male?
Nope. Oh, maybe, yeah. I want to get its temp. Can you hold a minute when you get a chance? See. $74.
Pulling the tail out.
That one might be a male. That's a pretty thick tail. its home. Okay, they know where home is. What's that? That wasn't nothing, right? In the middle? In that hole there? Okay, never mind. Wow. Let me see his belly.
He's
Yeah.
he's puking or vomiting or something.
All right, go let him go. It looks like a mud turtle died.
Oh, there's the shell of it.
Yeah, there's eggs inside the mud turtle when it died. Nice. I'm gonna leave them there. Maybe they'll hatch.
Oh.
Hey, hey, hey. Can I touch you? There you go. All right, thanks for the king snakes.